So, hello everyone. In this session, I would like to see the error. This is one of the common error which we face generally. So let us try to fix this. Even I don't know the solution. I'm just exploring. So in what way I'm exploring, I'll be helping you. I'll be explaining you. So whenever you are getting these type of issues, you can do the same process for your uh, understanding, for your R&D. Okay. So first, I'll go to this. There is a problem with the ledgers. In S4HANA, we'll get this problem. So what is the problem? First, let me go to this transaction. So here, it's very clearly saying that the company code BIV1 not assigned to ledger 0L. This is one problem. Currency configuration for controlling area 3001 is inconsistent. 3001 is not our company code, so don't worry about it. Maybe if you fix this issue, your issue will be you can able to post the transactions. How to fix this issue? I'll show you now. Let's go to SPRO IMG. I'll try to go to financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, ledgers. This is the configuration where we will be doing our ledger settings. Let me execute here. Yes, click confirm button. Click OK. So our ledger will be 0L. 0L is the default ledger. It's a standard ledger, default ledger given by SAP, either in ECC or S4HANA. If anybody asks you what is your default ledger or leading ledger, 0L. Select this, go to your company code, enter. This is our company code. Go to the okay, maybe go to the your company code, accounting principles, under your ledger, under the company code BIV1. Please maintain the accounting principles. Accounting principles are not available. Okay, how to fix this issue? So here I could not able to find it. Okay. So we can fix this issue. Go to help, settings, go to F4, select this. So in case if your F4 is not working, you have to select that and go to accounting principles. You can take any one accounting principles. So I'll take it as IFRS. What is accounting principles and all? I have explained in the separate class. You can follow that. Okay. You can follow that separate class. Let me save. I hope we are good now. Let's go to testing part. F-02. I'll try to post a transaction. I'm just posting on dummy transaction, just checking whether it's working fine or not. That's it. Okay. So this is how you need to fix the issue. I have given example for one issue and you have to do research for other issues as well. Okay. Thank you all.